Imagine the ethereal hum of a single turbofan propelling a massive wingspan through the stratosphere, like a vigilant eye in the sky. This unmanned sentinel orbiting at 60,000 feet for days on end, feeding real-time intel that turns battles before they begin. Or could this high-altitude hawk, America's ISR powerhouse, finally blind itself in 2025's cyber-jammed wars, where hypersonic missiles and drone swarms pierce its lofty perch, turning the watcher into watched prey? Strap in, aviation adrenaline junkies, because on Defense Digest we're soaring into the unblinking legend of the Northrop Grumman RQ-4 Global Hawk, the U.S. Air Force's high-altitude, long-endurance UAV that's revolutionized reconnaissance since its 1998 maiden flight and grip every surveillance second till the edge-of-your-seat finale uncovers 2025's autonomy boost that might just keep it hawking supreme. Pound that like if drones drive your defense dreams, subscribe and smash the bell for more sky-spying sagas, and drop a comment below. What's your ultimate ISR showdown? Global Hawk versus Triton, and could it out-eye a hypersonic horde? Born from the 1990s Advanced Concept Technology demonstration to replace aging U-2s, the RQ-4 entered operational service in 2001 as a single-engine marvel stretching 47.6 feet long with a 130.9-foot wingspan and 15.3-foot height, heaving a 32,250-pound max takeoff weight, powered by a Rolls-Royce F137RR100 turbofan, delivering 7,600 pounds of thrust, propelling it to a cruise speed of 310 knots or 357 miles per hour, an endurance exceeding 30 hours for 12,300 nautical miles range, and a ceiling of 60,000 feet, all at a unit cost of around $131 million, including ground stations, making it a pricey but priceless asset compared to manned spies like the $1 billion U-2 program. Equipped with synthetic aperture radar for all-weather imaging, electro-optical/infrared sensors for high-res video, and signals intelligence payloads that sniff out comms from afar, the Global Hawk boasts autonomous flight controls, SATCOM links for global command, and modular bays for custom missions, racking up over 320,000 flight hours in ops like Iraq's Enduring Freedom, where it spotted IEDs, Afghanistan surveillance marathons, and Pacific patrols monitoring North Korean launches. Picture it in vigil, loitering over vast oceans, sensors piercing clouds to relay enemy movements in real time to command centers. Yet 2025 amps the drama with Block 40 upgrades featuring MS-177 multispectral sensors for sharper intel and AI-driven autonomy for reduced operator load amid debates on retirement versus extension to 2030. But as this hawk glides into the horizon, laden with unspoken data and veiled tech, the heart-racing suspense builds. What cyber hack or drone counter will blind it next? And how will hypersonic adaptations keep it flying high in an unmanned era? Don't blink now. Devour every soaring scan. Like if this hooked your hawks. Comment your Global Hawk gaze tales to stir the storm. Share with your squadron for the buzz. And subscribe to Defense Digest for non-stop nosedives into the drones that own the oversight. Because the next surveillance sensation could hawk in anytime. Stay vigilant, Sky Sentinels.